Hi guys, welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making Shamrock shaped cupcakes because tomorrow's St. Patrick's Day. So what you'll need will be butter at room temperature, flour, granulated sugar, egg whites, milk, green food coloring, baking powder, mint or peppermint extract. I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. So first, what you'll need to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line two 12-cup muffin tins with, I'm using green and white cupcake liners, and just line them and spread them. So first what you want to do is combine your flour and baking powder and just whisk that together. Okay, so now with a stand mixer or hand mixer, just cream together your butter. So I'm just gonna go grab the hand mixer really quick. Now just cream this together until it's light and fluffy. And now you're going to alternate in adding your flour and your milk, starting and ending with flour. Okay, so now we're going to put these in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes and just tap down so that any air bubbles come out and it all gets smooth. I'll see you guys when those are all done. Okay, so they just finished. I started out with 18 minutes. So now let's just check and see. They need like another minute. So. I'll see you guys once that minute is up. Okay, so it's been a minute, and now let's just check them. I'm pretty sure they're done now. Let's just see. Okay, these look done. Oops. I did not need to throw that away. Let's see. Yeah, good. They look done. Now we're just going to let those cool for 5 minutes. Okay, so while we wait for those to cool so that we can take them out, we're going to make the frosting. It's not a buttercream because there's no butter, obviously. So what you'll need will be 2 cups of heavy cream and 4 tablespoons of instant vanilla pudding mix. So now what you want to do is just set the pudding mix aside, and in a large bowl just add all your heavy cream into there. Now we just want to beat that on medium high, just for about like 2 to 5 minutes. That is all done. Now I'm just going to scrape off the sides. I had to put this like really high, the hand mixer. So it took like 2 to 3, I think it took like 3 minutes on like the highest speed to get the stiff peaks, but it looks really good. So I guess I can just put this in a piping bag now, but we're not going to use it for a little bit. You want to use the 1M tip. That's what I'm going to use. So let's see. I'm going to grab that really quick. Okay, so now we can take the cupcakes out of the pan. Let's see. This one, I got 23 out of it, and they look very good. They look like one of the best cupcakes I've probably ever done, because they look so good. So you just want to take them out and then let them cool completely. You can like turn on a fan to make it go a little quicker, because that's what I'm going to do. Okay, now we're just going to let those cool completely. Okay, so now it's time to decorate. So now I have, if I didn't say this already, I have my buttercream in a piping bag with the 1M tip. We also need some cherries and green sprinkles. So I'll just start with this one. And let's see. Oops. Okay, there. And then I'm gonna grab a plate because of the sprinkles. Okay, and now let's add a cherry. Let's get one of this done. That. Oh, let's see. Okay, so that was one. That looks really nice. And now we can do that to the rest of them. Okay, so they're all done and they look amazing. So here's what they look like. I love the cherry and the sprinkles. Just makes it, just gives it an extra touch. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!